Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by matching the iPhone's practical settings so light and detail behave similarly. First, choose the widest aperture your lens allows to get shallow depth of field and smooth background separation. Then keep ISO low to reduce noise and pick a shutter speed that prevents blur. Use a tripod if needed. Also enable RAW capture and shoot an HDR bracket when contrast is high, because iPhone computational HDR blends highlights and shadows automatically. You'll recreate that control manually. Once done with basic settings, focus on composition and light, because iPhones rely on strong framing and consistent lighting to feel polished. You should isolate the subject and choose either centered minimal shots or a rule of thirds layout for balance, and always watch your light direction. Favor soft side light or golden hour for pleasing skin tones. Add a small reflector or LED to fill shadows by about 1/4 to 1 stop. These choices deliver the same flattering, clear look you expect from smartphone portraits. To finish, you emulate the iPhone's computational processing in post, because the camera's software balances tone and texture for you. Start by lifting shadows and recovering highlights with local tone mapping rather than a global slider, then add selective contrast in midtones to keep skin natural. Apply modest clarity and noise reduction, and sharpen at a fine radius to retain detail. Finally, export a JPEG in sRGB with a slight saturation boost for punch. If colors look off, check white balance and redo local adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.